I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by importing your background and PNG Gacha sprites into a new project. You want layers ready to animate. You should set the canvas ratio to 16:9 or your target phone ratio so framing is final from the start. Once done, lock the background layer and arrange character layers in order of depth. This prevents accidental moves. You're now ready to add motion keyframes to each character. Begin with simple position and scale keys to establish baseline movement before complex effects. You'll animate each character by placing position, scale, and rotation keyframes at key moments. Do short bursts for punches or long arcs for walks. Make sure to apply easing, ease in, or ease out so motion feels natural. Adjust the speed graph when timing needs snappier or slower beats. For complex gacha poses, use masks and duplicate layers to simulate frame-by-frame changes. Once you set one motion path, copy it to similar characters and tweak timing to keep things cohesive. Finish by stacking effects. Add color grade, glow, and particle layers. Keep them separate so you can toggle visibility. You should also pre-compose complex groups to reduce lag and then export as MP4 or MOV with a high bitrate for clarity. Test the file on your target device. If things go wrong, check for missing alpha, use PNG, jittery motion, clean up stray keyframes, or export artifacts, raise bitrate, or render in parts. If necessary, re-render only the problem segment to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.